We're doing the 8 challenge sheet. Step 2, select cell D2. So this is in column D, row 2. Enter the date. So just type in 4 space May space 20 and press enter or return on the keyboard. Select D2 again, and we're going in step 3 to go up to the number group and choose from the drop down long date. That now puts in the day of the week as well. Step 4, change the date format using cells, format, format cells. We need the date category chosen on the left. We need to scroll down until we get 14-March-12. So we select that, and you can see that the sample shows us what our format's going to be for our date. Click OK. 4th of May 2020 again. Step 5. Go to column D, row 8. So that's the sales tax where there's a decimal number there. Change that to a percentage. Go up to the number group, choose percentage from the drop down, 7.50%. Step 6, select the numbers in column B, go up to the drop down in the number group and choose currency. Puts in the dollar signs for us. Step 7, go to D8 again and play around with these decimal symbols, so we can either increase the number of decimals on the left or decrease them on the right, and decrease them so that there's only one decimal, 7.5. Check that it looks like the picture there, and then click Control S or the icon at the top to save, and we're finished.